So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl, my name is Lucy. I always say to stay subscribed. We have a good time on this channel. As you seen by the title, today's video is going to be a hair install. It's been a long time I did a dedicated video for hair, but trust me, this wig deserves its own video and you'll see why. Today's video is sponsored by VANLOV, just to get it out of the way. So thank you guys for sponsoring today's video. They sent over their Wear and Go Glueless Kinky Curly wig. I have it in 26 or 28 inch, but I believe it's 28 to be honest, but I'm going to link it in the description box below so you could check that and find the correct details. And also the lace on this wig is a 5x5 lace, which is absolutely convenient. One of my best type of laces to work with is a 5x5 lace because it's really easy, quick, and very much beginner friendly. And then let's get into the install of this hair. And obviously before we get into that, they also include like gift items in the box that I shared in the beginning of the video, and as well the lace comes already cut for you, so it's pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached, right? But I did go ahead and pluck the lace as you guys saw because I felt like it needed a little bit more of the plucking and a little touch to the wig. I usually like to use the Got2b spray to secure it or lay it down because that's my preferred method or preferred thing to use to hold my wigs, and for this install it's not any different. And also it's a 5x5 lace, so it doesn't really need that much in my opinion. So I went ahead and secured it with the Got2b spray. And then also to define the curls, I used water. I used the Cantu leave-in conditioner spray and not the cream, which I've been loving so much lately. I also use that for my natural hair because it's just so good and very convenient to just like spray and be out of the door. And I also used the Cantu curl activator to activate the curls, refresh it, and all that kind of stuff. Let me tell you something about this wig, you guys. I have worn this wig every day since the day that I installed it. It's an amazing wig. It is so beautiful. It's so soft. I cannot tell you how many compliments I have gotten so far for this wig. It is ridiculous. Like, that's how beautiful the curls are. And the density on this wig, which I think should be a 200% density, if I'm not mistaken. Like I said, everything is in the description box below. It's either 180 or 200, but I'm leaning towards 200 because it is full, you guys. This is a lot of hair to manage. So if you're not the kind of person that likes a lot of hair, you might want to reduce it because on the website they have 150, I know they have 180, and I know the largest or the biggest density they have on their website is 200 density. Mine has to be 200. Curly hair requires more attention and maintenance. If you don't know, I'm telling you right now. So this was a little bit more for me to handle than like regular hair, but trust me, the result is so worth it. What you're going to have on your head at the end of the day is definitely what every time, like every second you spend on it. I absolutely love this hair. It is soft, it is beautiful, it's a perfect vacation summer hair. I am ready to take on the world with this hair. That's how it makes me feel. But anyway, like I said, this hair is from VANLOV and I'm going to have all the details linked in the description box below. So that's pretty much everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Blink an eye. You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Like for 100 hours and I wouldn't miss a thing. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing. I don't care the seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. 'Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between, or somewhere in between. Oh yeah. Oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my God, if forever is not enough. Oh my God, what a time to be in love.